Okay, let's get this show on the road. Hi everyone, miss me? I know you did. Welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And for those of you who are returning, thank you so much for watching. Let us get into this makeup tutorial using all WetnWild products. So WetnWild reached out to me and wanted to send me all of their products from the Color Icon collection as well as the Photofocus collection, and they sent me some products and they are sponsoring this video. So thank you so much WetnWild for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. I had so much fun creating this makeup look using your products, so let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so WetnWild sent me a lot of stuff. I will show you guys up close shots as I'm using the product. Now this is the eye look I created with the eyeshadow palette that they sent me. This is the Cosmic Collision eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to zoom in on this eye while I recreate what I just did right here, okay? So let's zoom you on in. Okay, so the first product I'm going to go in with is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Concealer. Now I had this concealer in my collection already, so I'm going to use that to prime my eye. This is one of my favorite concealers. Blend it on in. Now on to the eyeshadow palette. So again, it's the Wet n Wild Cosmic Collision eyeshadow palette. Everything that I'm using here will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you check out my description box down below. All links and Wet n Wild's website will be linked down there too, okay? Okay, so it looks like this. I'll show you up close right here how it looks. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of a light transition shade first. Then I'm going to go in with the color that says Transition. It's a nice orangey type color, so I like brush. I like the way that it looks like a nice orangey color because we are in fall here in New York City. So I'm packing it on a little above the crease, building it up. And then whatever else is left on the brush, I just bring it on in here. I want in here to be kind of light and most of the color to be in the middle and at the end. Now to build up the color a little bit more in my crease, just so it really stands out, I'm gonna build it up a little bit more in my crease. I'm just packing it on in and lightly, very lightly blending it out. Now I'm gonna go into the next shade, which is going to be a little bit of this transition color. going back into the light orange color so that I don't lose that color too. Alright, now I'm gonna go into my favorite color. I love their shimmers in this palette, this yellowish gold shimmer. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna wet my brush with just a little bit of water, and I'm using their flat shader brush. It looks like that. I love this brush for packing on shimmers. It's my favorite. Put on a little bit of concealer first so it can pop. Isn't that color so pretty? So pretty. And just like that. Super, super pretty. Okay, now for the edge, I'm gonna go back in with that transition color as well as the black color that's there. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with that brownish color and blend it in a little bit more. The funniest thing is always making sure the eyes match up. Okay. All right. So now let us do liner and lashes. For liner, they sent me this Wet n Wild metallic liquid eyeliner in Cosmic Black. Looks like this. The tip is really, really nice and fine and thin. I'm not gonna do a wing or anything. I'm just gonna make sure it's like, I'm just gonna add a little thin line above my lashes. And now I'm going to put on lashes and I will be right back. Ooh, putting on these lashes was such a journey. I hope they stay on. Let's see. Okay, now for the face. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. It's used to prep, set, and you can use it to refresh your makeup. Let me just spray it. Ah, it smells just like cucumber. Now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photofocus Thick Foundation in the shade Golden Honey. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender a little bit. If you're ever in a rush, let me tell you something. Use this thick foundation for your makeup. You will not regret it. Let me blend this out. Like, look how fast I blended that side out. I'm telling you. With liquid, sometimes it like takes a while. You know what I mean? Like, you're mixing, and then if you're me, you got like 2 shades you gotta mix, and sometimes it just takes a little too long. So a stick foundation, especially when you're in a rush or you're in a hurry, is perfect. Okay. Now for concealer, I already showed you guys the concealer, the Photofocus concealer in this shade. What shade is this? Medium Tawny. I'm going to use this obviously under my eyes and around my nose a little bit. Now for under the eyes, I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use this green shade with a very, very tiny brush. Under the eye, I think that'll look cute. And then in the inner corner, I'm going to use, do I want to try a different color or with that yellow shade? I'll use a little bit of this peachy type shade. It's a shimmer, but it's like a peach type shimmer. There. So in the inner corner. For blush, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It looks like this. I usually like to wet my brush a little bit before I apply the blush, so I'm going to use the cucumber water just to spray this is just a little bit. I don't like applying blush dry. I don't know. I feel like last but certainly not least, we have two lip shades that Wet n Wild sent me. It's the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit. These are high shine lipsticks. One is in the color Cedar Later, and the other is in the color Wine is the Answer. So I'm going to use Cedar Later. I think it'll go perfect with this look. And I don't have a lip liner, but that's fine. Just use some of this. It's pretty. Very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips at all, and I still get a lot of shine. And it's a liquid lipstick. I love it. Wet n Wild. I'm gonna go buy more of them. Okay, now to set all of my work, I'm gonna use the cucumber primer water again. Last minute. Go here. And that is it. We use all Wet n Wild products. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much Wet n Wild for sponsoring this video. I really did enjoy using all of these products. I've been using Wet n Wild products since I was pretty much in high school because they are affordable, they are great quality, and did I mention they are super, super affordable for the everyday working woman. So thank you so much again. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really do appreciate it. Follow me on social media. I usually put my socials throughout my video, as well as in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check out Wet n Wild's products. I put all the links in the description box down below, so make sure you check them out. And if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, live a fun and healthy lifestyle, and of course keep up with the beauty community news and makeup tutorials, then make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. Thank you so much, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!